never been sick, just a little lost. Always chasing something that was already there. Sometimes I searched and couldn't find, but often without that search, I knew to look where. I don't know what I want, which path I need to take. There'll always be a new storm, with difficult choices I need to make. A scream of anger, a tear of sadness. I should cry from joy, but mostly feel like a mess. Because occasionally I fall, like water, endlessly deep. When I look up, I realize I just need to take the leap. Start looking for myself, searching for the stories. Determine my own path that once looked so cursed. Now, beautiful things only keep getting more beautiful. Especially because I had to get lost in the search first. It once felt so bitter, but what made it incomplete? I think I understand it now. Life is just bittersweet.